This is a typical reverse osmosis air gap faucet. This is what you normally see above your sink. This is what you normally don't see below your sink. In this demonstration, the blue line represents the product water coming from the reverse osmosis. It is the pure water that will eventually come out of the tap for you to drink. The black line represents the drain water coming from the reverse osmosis unit to the air gap. The red line represents the line that goes from the reverse osmosis faucet to your kitchen sink drain. An air gap is designed to keep contaminants from backing up into your water system if the drain gets clogged. During normal operation, water flows from the drain of your reverse osmosis system up the line to the air gap, then falls through the air gap and drains out the sink drain line. If the sink drain becomes clogged, the air gap will begin to overflow. To resolve this issue, simply unclog the drain line and the air gap will begin to flow normally. Follow the kitchen sink line that is largest in diameter down to where it connects to your kitchen sink drain. You will find a drain saddle that looks like one of these two styles. The first style is a push-fit fitting. To disconnect the push-fit fitting, press and retain the collet and pull the tubing out while the collet is being depressed. Clean the tubing side and the drain saddle side with a pipe cleaner or wire brush. Then push the tubing all the way back in. To disconnect the compression nut side, simply unscrew the compression nut until you are able to pull the tubing out. Clean the tube side and the drain saddle side with a pipe cleaner. To reconnect, push the tubing all the way in, hold it in, and replace the compression nut by tightening it down.